Let her say it. Why don't you just let her say it, please?
Cup. Cup.
Cup. Cup. Cup.
You did it, Marie. Did it!
What's that?
Chair.
That's a chair. Give me some of that. What about this?
Rock.
Rock. What are those?
Ew,
Don't
Bob.
mind if I do. Now where are we going?
You have to learn how to fly, Paulie.
No, I don't want to.
You have to.
Why?
So in case you ever go away, you can fly back to me. Come on, Paulie. Don't look down. Look at the stars. Now spread your wings. Come on, now fly. Come on, fly.
Wow, Marie! Look out! Marie couldn't talk, but Dad couldn't listen, so they got rid of me. Marie? I can't breathe.
Paulie? Paulie, is that really you? It's me, Paulie. It's Marie.
No!
I just grew up, that's all.
Go away. Leave me alone.
Paulie,
Sorry, we are in shock.
I loved you the first time I saw you, and I always will love you, Marie.
Marie! You got big.